Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert the RAW to NTFS without formatting here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for CMD so that the best match code coming from system will appear. Here you need to go with run as administrator. So the moment you've clicked your user account control will ask you to confirm. Just go with yes so that you would be able to confirm the action. Here you need to type for CH key, DS key, space / F. So here you need to add the driver of the drive that you want to convert with from RAW to NTFS. Now how you can check the driver, just have to proceed on File Explorer, go with this PC, and here you can see a letter which enclosed with the parentheses. So it is an E colon in my case. So just have to go with that. Okay, go with your driver and type it here and click enter. So this will do the process. Just have to wait until this process will be done. Okay. So once you're done, just have to close this window and check if you have just successfully convert the raw drive to NTFS. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.